use a silicone-based lubricant in combination with a silicone sex toy? This is a frequently asked question, and today I'm going to explain why. So the short answer is no, you cannot use a silicone lubricant in combination with a silicone toy. And there's a very good reason for this. So when using a silicone-based lubricant, although it's slightly thicker and stays on better, it will actually damage the silicone material of the toy, meaning it might melt down. And of course, we do not want this for a toy. For example, we have one of the PMV20 products right here. It's made completely of silicone. Make sure to never mix a silicone lubricant with a silicone material like this. If you have any doubts as to what your product is made of, you can always check on our website with the product information details, which will specify what material it is. You can use a silicone lubricant in combination with glass, metal, or wooden products, or you can simply use it by itself, so long as you don't come into any contact with any silicone. If you have a silicone product, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant, as this will react perfectly with the toy. There you get your maximum comfort and stimulation out of it. A silicone lubricant is also safe to use in combination with latex condoms. Did you find that video helpful? Why not check out our other FAQ videos in the collection? Did you have a question for us? We'd love to hear it from you. Drop your question below and we'll take a look at it for you.